Smart sensor. Innovative cooking technology monitors the temperature and amount of steam coming from the food to judge how much water remains and how long it should continue heating. Quick Easy. Farberware Countertop Microwave has 7 one-touch cooking programs including 3 auto-defrost pre-programmed settings, 4 melt pre-programmed cooking options and 3 soften pre-programmed cooking options to make quick work of any cooking task. Powerful. With 1100 watts, 10 power levels, and multi-stage cooking allows you to customize your cooking experience for any food with this countertop microwave ovens. Get a clear view. The LED display with kitchen timer and clock lets you keep track of time, while the Easy View interior LED lighting lets you keep an eye on cooking. Convenient. Conveniences such as defrost by weight or by time settings let you get dinner on the table even when you forget to pre-prep your food. Style function. Stylish stainless steel front with black body gives a stylish, elegant look, and the child safety lock function provides an added level of security on this microwave oven. Speed cooking. 1 to 6 minutes express cooking and plus 30 seconds button offer simple press and go speed, while the memory function lets you store your most used customized settings. Top reviews from the United States. Probably overkill for a 2-person household, but for my household of 9, it's fantastic. This Farberware Professional FM022ABTBKA, 1200-watt microwave oven with smart sensor cooking is perfect for a big family like mine and has an array of features found on more expensive microwaves. First of all, it's a big microwave. At 2.2 cubic feet, it's about as large as you can get for home use. That means you will need some serious counter space for it. I suggest measuring your space before ordering. Second, although this is the stainless steel model, there is really only stainless steel trim on the front. The top and sides are painted metal, so it looks a bit industrial. That works fine in my industrial kitchen, though. The inside of the microwave is painted gray, too, which adds an even more industrial feel, but I like the gray as it doesn't show spatters as much. It has touchpad controls on the front, a bright LED display, a large, glass turntable and a push button to open the door. I generally prefer a handle on the door as those push buttons sometimes get stubborn over time, but so far, this one works flawlessly. This is a high-powered microwave at 1200 watts. If you have been using a microwave with lower power, you'll need to adjust your cooking times downward, and this may take a little getting used to.